I kind of wanted to start this for a long time now. I've only been posting charts for some time now, which I kind of enjoy, to be honest, but I think it's about time to start a new series, I would say. I think I would like to start with talking about patience in trading and why I think that it is literally everything, and it is the most important sole factor mostly of being successful in this business, and why it is mostly only applicable to the winning part of traders, which is said to be around 10%, right? If 90% lose, I guess that makes it 10% of winners. And it is very, very awkward, very interesting that we're living in a time where everything is expected as fast, and where we feel that we can literally force everything and impose our will and alpha personality on everything. And I have noticed that this doesn't really work in trading, right? Because the market doesn't really care who you are, what you are doing, or what you formerly did as a job, or maybe as a businessman, whatever, right? It is just it's just a mean of patience based on your trading style, right? You can't really force things, and even if you can force anything in your trading, is it consistent? Can it be replicated indefinitely or a lot of times in order for you to become consistently profitable? Like, okay, sure, maybe you can force a few trades every now and then, but will this lead to consistent profitability? I highly doubt that is the case. What I have noticed is that usually less trades means better focus on these trades, right? Better trade management. I think that the entry is really important, right? But trade management is probably the hardest thing to do in trading, outside of patience and waiting for the trade to come to you, not you chasing the trade. And less trades also means that there is a higher possibility or probability of not losing capital for no reason. Being patient in trading has a lot of perks. Obviously, you can have your setups properly written down in your plan, in your daily plan, or maybe you have, I don't know, weekly plans. Who knows? Depends on how you're trading. For example, I like to trade based on 4-hour candles, right? I think that's the most consistent with my personality and with my daily plans. Usually I look for the 30-minute candles as well in the US time zone, due to the fact that there is extended volatility, right? And the volume is the biggest on the US time zone, and maybe you can find some good information on the 30 minutes as well, especially with the TPO, right? But being extremely patient in trading also gives you time to do other stuff for yourself and with yourself, right? It's really important to focus on other aspects of your life, right? For example, in order to be more patient, you can start working out, right? Or reading books, or meditating, or envisioning how you would feel in a trade, right? Whether it is winning or losing, it's still a trade. It shouldn't be differentiated that much, because at the end of the day, it's just a day. We take trading is a day by day, I don't want to say job, right? But it's a day by day endeavor, right? You are just trying to get your process better day in and day out, and we are into this for the long term, right? That's why, in my opinion, it is very important to know what does being patient means for you, right? And what keeps you away from being patient? Is it making money faster? Do you have a small account and you just want to grow it faster? I doubt, and I don't think that being impatient, having reckless trades, and just not assuming your risk or anything like that will make it grow faster or will make your trading better, because at the end of the day, how you're trading a small account is how you're trading a bigger account, right? And if you're into this for the long term, you want just to get a better process of trading, not necessarily to make more money faster, right? Does impatience means that there are more opportunities in the market? I highly doubt that is the case, right? I think that opportunities are wherever you see them based on your methodology, right? Obviously, if you're trading 5-minute candles, maybe there are more opportunities for you, maybe there are not more opportunities, but it is very important to keep that in mind. It is very important to know what you're looking for. You can trade extremely focused in 1-2 hour time span, right, and have more trades. Or maybe your personality tends to be taking lower amount of trades but having bigger invalidations or lower invalidations, right? That all depends on your psychology and how you like to trade and how you make yourself, how you create yourself into the charts, right? I guess this is the first video on patience. I really think this is the stepping stone on of trading, and it is more and more regarded in the trading industry, and obviously not the gurus, because they don't really know much about anything at all other than just ripping off newbies. But having a better process and understanding how to be more patient and how patience helps you into becoming a consistently profitable trader is the key to success.